Most people never think about the people who keep everything running: the air, the water, the power, the roofs over our heads, until something breaks. Every day, millions of tradesmen and women climb into trucks before sunrise and solve problems most people never see. But something is changing. The trades are no longer just about tools. They're about systems, technology, operations, acquisitions, artificial intelligence, and the people willing to adapt are building the next generation of blue-collar businesses. Collars and Boots is where fieldwork meets business, where operators share what's really happening, where technology meets trades, and where the future gets built in real time. We'll talk about scaling service companies, hiring great people, artificial intelligence, private equity, software, operations, sales, leadership, and the people building businesses that last. Because the future won't be built by influencers. It'll be built by the people willing to show up, solve problems, and keep moving forward. Real work, real talk, real future. Welcome to Collars and Boots.